Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Palinda Pamit Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my video below on how to making money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. So meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, website, and Instagram. Okay guys, we're talking about to advertise your business here. I-advertise ninyo dito yung mga business, kahit anong business po, kung ano po yung business mo dyan, or affiliate link, dito po ninyo i-advertise parang makakaroon kayo ng mga sales. Yung binta po. Ito po yung shipless submitter, new for August September 2021. Bali, ito po guys is shipless submitter is 100% automated cloud-based software helping clients advertise their businesses, products, blogs, and services with no effort on your part. We all we do all your advertising work for you. Dito po yun guys is if you are a marketing, a business service, product, lead capture page, blog, we will put your site in front of a live website visitors daily. So this automated system will drive visitors to your site from over 400 top product traffic exchange, feed to click site, credit, receipt, list, and viral mailers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are here to deliver traffic for you even if you are on vacation or at work. Bali, ito guys, this is a stateless submitter is an automated traffic delivery system that is designed to help you drive targeted traffic to your website. So you simply just to set up an account and you will tell us what URL link to advertise. Then we take it from there. So all you have to do is only 3 steps to start getting visitors today. Your website or blog or affiliate link. Number one or step one, join using the subscribe button below. And then step two, you will instantly get login details. And then step three, log in to the members area and submit your website link. That's it. So, yun lang po guys. Tatlo lang po ang kailangan para po makakaano kayo ng visitors for your website or affiliate link or kaya blog. So, traffic start same day. Kung ngayon kayo subscribe, so ngayon din kayo magkakaroon ng mga visitors sa blog ninyo po. So, ito po yun guys. Kailangan lang po every change your length every 24 hours in the members area. So, pwede kayo mag-cancel at any time. Kailangan ninyo, ano po ninyo, i-try po ito. Here are just some of the top sites you will get traffic from. So, ito po yung mga traffic, guys. Traffic exchange na pwede ninyo bali 400 traffic exchange yan. So, ito po yung, sandali lang. Wait for a while. Here is a few more places we'll advertise for you. So, marami. Example is Facebook, I Love Hits, Legally Hits. So, marami talaga, guys, ang talaga ito. So, kindly try it now. Lang po ninyo, dyan sa loob. So, and many more sites not showing here kasi 400, di ba? 400 traffic exchange. And then, Ang ano pala, total membership link will be promoted to 3 million plus number of members change all the time. So, pwede din kayo maging, ano dito guys, ah, tingnan po ninyo, marami get 100% targeted buyers for offers like this below. So, kung member kayo dito, sa mga ano guys dito sa Clickbank, marami talaga ito as in marami na gusto kayong i-ano kung bilang isang affiliate kayo dito as in i-ano po ninyo pa and then pwede po ninyo ano i-rank lang po ninyo, marami yan. So tingnan po ninyo ang mini more, but here comes the best part. You can secure your membership today for only $10 per month. So, pwede kayo mag-cancel. You can cancel at any time. So, click lang po ninyo kung interesado kayo na yung mga businesses ninyo or affiliate link. Ano, maraming mga visitors. Yan, maraming mga visitors. So, ito lang po ang paraan para magkakaroon kayo ng mga sales dito. At the same time, ayun, kung gusto kayo na magkakaroon, you can also join our lucrative affiliate program. It's 100% free and earn a recurring income. Just go here. So, click lang po ninyo yan, guys. Click natin para magkaano kayo. Sandali. Sandali lang. Click lang po. I-click lang po ninyo guys, hindi ko mag-click. Basta i-click lang po. For more information, nandyan po sa description ko para makita po ninyo kung paano talaga. So, pwede po ninyo ito i-close. So, pwede kayo dito din for more affiliate email marketing. Ito po yung email marketing na yan. So, hindi muna tayo dyan kasi dito muna tayo sa Seamless Submitter. Yan po guys, as in marami po ito kung gusto niyo na i-advertise your business, affiliate link, or blog at iba pa para magkakaroon kayo for having many visitors for your site or website. Dito kayo, just try it now. Kasi as in, marami talaga ito. Pag isang lang po, magpasa lang kayo or you will send one link or website at marami na po kayo, maraming visitors within 24 hours na makaano talaga, di ba? Kailangan natin yung visitors talaga natin para po magkaroon tayo ng mini visitors at the same time, yung target natin na makakabinta tayo or sales sa mga business natin, diba? So, all you have to do is click this, subscribe. You can secure membership today for only $10 per month only. So, just click here, subscribe, try it now, at you can cancel at any time if you want to cancel. And if you can also join our lucrative affiliate program 100% and earn a recurring income, just go here. So, click lang po ninyo yan. Na-click ko na po. So, i-click po ninyo. Dito po, kasi na marami kayo magpagpapilian. Ito po yung Warrior number plus. So, ito po, magkakaroon kayo ng ganito, diba? Ito po yung ninyo dyan. So, makikita ninyo dyan, kindly read my description below if you want to earn more as an affiliate program and to having many visitors for your sites or website, businesses, and blog. So, guys, just all about to my video about your advertise your business here, just only $10 per month if you want to become a membership, $10 per month, but you can cancel anytime if you don't want. So, kindly try it now para po magkaroon kayo ng mga visitor sa website ninyo. Diba? So, ayan, diba? Imagine guys, total members your link will be promoted to 3 million plus. Imagine, just imagine guys. So, ayan po. So that is allowed again and again that it is all about my video on how to advertise your website, blog, affiliate link, at etc. at iba pa. So guys, hanggang dito na lang po. If you are new here on my channel, kindly please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates because you will be notified for a new for my new video if I will be uploading again. Thank you for your watching. Bye for now.